Hello and welcome to a Jaren 134 video, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Canon Powershot Elph 520 HS. Let's get into the video. So as you can see, the silver color is the color shown on the box. It comes in black, silver, red, and blue. I did not buy the silver color, so let's go ahead and take a look. They just put the silver on the box, I guess. So let's see what you get in the box. The first thing you get is a warranty card of some kind. Yeah. The CD. A user's guide of some sort, and then some cardboard. Then you get a USB cable for transferring your data, the lanyard strap, come out of there. This is the 870 milliamp hours battery, which the reviews for this camera have said that battery life is poor, and the battery charger. The battery life can be compromised because I bought two 1320 milliamp hour batteries from eBay for $14.99, so you don't have to worry about the battery life being poor. The battery charger, you just slip the battery in here. I'll show you. Just slips into place and slips right out. And then the piece de resistance. Is there anything else in there? Nope, it doesn't look like it. So let's pull it out. The camera. Shut-up! The Canon Powershot Elph 520 HS. And I am filming with the Canon Powershot Elph 520 HS. And I want to get a wind test. It's not as windy as it was earlier, but I'd like a wind test of the camera. I'm walking through the yard, just filming like the ground and wherever else I'm walking to, and I want to kind of get a test of the wind. It's not as windy as it was because this does have a wind filter setting. I was going to say mode. It's not really a mode. It's a setting to turn on the wind filter in the menu. And just thought I would walk around and record a little clip for you so you could see what this actually looks like versus the Elph 300 HS, which is, and there's some wind. Let's see how the wind does and how it intervenes with my talking, because with the HS300 didn't have a wind filter setting, and it actually like really got in the way of talking if the wind blew across the camera's microphone. And I don't know exactly how the microphone is placed on this camera. You can't really see it as little dots like you could on the 300 HS. So that's this camera, and then there's a car coming. Let's see if you can hear what that sounds like. A car just rode by me. I'm gonna get out of the road before I get ran over. Oh, I wonder what colors look like up close. Let's see here. We have colors of the flowers. Let's see if it can focus on the flowers. Focus on the flowers. Focus, focus, focus on the flowers. It's not focusing very well, but when you get super duper close, I noticed that, well, I don't guess it's going to focus. Focus on the flower. It is focusing on the flower, but it's kind of slow. Like, I guess it depends on your situation. But as you can see, it did focus on the flower. And then when you raise it back up, it's blurry. And it's got to refocus. So, refocus on this stuff here. Refocus. Oh, it refocused. That is so freaking amazing. The HS300 does not focus like that. Whatever focus that it gets at when you begin the recording, because you half tap the camera shutter button in order to focus, and when you half tap it, whatever focus that you got in front of the camera, like right here, whatever focus was from about this distance or whatever, or infinity, as you can do with the camera setting, it will only focus to that, and then that's it. This camera actually can focus while in recording, which is amazing. I love it. The Powershot Elph 520HS. I'm Jaren134, and you have a lovely day.